A lot of people are asking me like, well, how are you choosing your projects?
Right.
Like what kind of research are you doing? And it is tough because there's probably about 50 new NFT projects launching per day. Most of them are going to fail, if not like damn near all of them. So how do you pick the significant projects? For me, 2 things I look at. That's it. Ready? 1 is the art. Do I like it? Me, Logan. Literally, it's subjective, completely intuitive. Do I like it as a collector? By the way, I realize this now. I'm a professional collector. I just hit me. I go, why do I like gathering things of the same vertical and just and seeing what happens to it? Like when I was younger, I collected rocks and coins. I've always loved it. And then it became Pokemon. I started to get a little bit more money, got a lot of Pokemon cards. Now it's the NFT space, which I think is going to be fucking massive, bro. I don't even think we can comprehend how big the concept is going to be. But 1, the art. Completely intuitive, right? You just have to like it. And then 2, the cultural significance. What does it mean for culture? Okay. Which is why I like World of Women. One of the first female-led female empowering projects on the blockchain with really, really amazing art and an amazing community. I'm in.